Understanding the phrase, letter opener, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common but interesting English phrase, letter opener. This phrase might sound simple, but it has a specific meaning and use in everyday English. Let's dive into what a letter opener is, its history, and how it's used in modern times. A letter opener is a tool used for opening envelopes. It's typically a slender, knife-like instrument, designed to neatly slit open the top of an envelope without damaging the contents inside. While it might seem like a straightforward tool, letter openers have a rich history and come in various designs. The use of letter openers dates back centuries, reflecting the long history of written correspondence. In the past, they were often ornate and made of materials like ivory, silver, or brass. They were not just tools but also status symbols. Today, they range from simple plastic designs to elegant decorative pieces. In the digital age, the use of physical mail has decreased, but letter openers still have their place. They are often found in offices and homes and can be collector's items. Some modern letter openers incorporate additional functions, like magnifying glasses or rulers. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a letter opener is and its place in both history and modern times. It's fascinating how such a simple tool can have such an interesting background. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.